What if you could keep your body in fat burning mode all day? This is where movement snacks come in. What this 2-minute method really is, why it works better than long walks, and how to use it to burn fat all day long. But there's one mistake people make with this, and this is why some people stay slim even without going to the gym. Hey, if you're walking 10,000 steps every day to lose weight, you might be wasting your time. Because a new trend called movement snacks is showing that how you can burn more fat in less time. And it only takes 2 minutes. Yes, just 2 minutes. Most people think fat loss means long walks, gym workouts, or sweating for hours. But what if I told you sitting all day is actually the bigger problem, not lack of exercise? And that's exactly where this method changes everything. So in this video, I'll show you what this 2-minute method really is, why it works better than long walks, and how to use it to burn fat all day long. But there's one mistake people make with this, and it completely kills the results. So stay with me till the end and don't skip any part of this video. Let's be honest, you walk for 30 to 40 minutes every day, and then what? You sit for the next 8 to 10 hours. Office, phone, scrolling, and Netflix. And your body goes into inactive mode, which slows metabolism, fat burning, and energy levels. So even if you walk, your body stops burning fat for the rest of the day. So the question is, what if you could keep your body in fat burning mode all day? This is where movement snacks come in. A very simple idea. Instead of doing one long workout, you move your body for 2 minutes every hour. That's it. Every hour, you stand up, walk fast, move your arms, or even climb stairs. Just for 2 minutes. Then go back to your walk. Studies shows that breaking long sitting periods with small movements improves metabolism, controls blood sugar, and increases calorie burn even more effectively than one simple long session. But wait, this does not mean your 10,000 steps are useless. But doing them all at once is the big problem. Your body is like a switch. Sitting is equals to off, and moving is equals to on. When you sit too long, fat burning turns off. But when you move every hour, you keep turning that switch on again and again. So your body never goes fully inactive. And this is why some people stay slim, even without going to the gym. Now, how to do it? Here's a simple routine. Set a timer every 60 minutes. Walk for 2 minutes. Do it 8 to 10 times a day. That's just 20 minutes total, but spread across the day. But if you want even better results, combine this with your regular walking. So instead of one 30-minute walk, do 20-minute normal walk and 10 minutes of movement snacks. That's when fat loss speeds up. Now let's understand the most common mistake. Most people try this for one day and quit. Can you guess why? Because it feels too simple. But simple doesn't mean ineffective. Remember, consistency beats intensity. It's not about walking more. It's about not staying still for too long. Try this for 3 days and notice your energy, your body, and your hunger. You'll feel the difference yourself. But if you still think 10,000 steps is the best way to lose fat, then watch my other video that must be popping up on your screen that will show you why it's not. Click on it and see you in the next video.